How to solve queued problem in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve queued problem in Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have been trying to send an email to someone from Gmail app, instead of being sent, they get saved to your outbox, which means that it has been queued. So when you go to the send tab, basically it is in the send tab but not here. It gets saved in outbox, which is the queued tab. Now an email in Gmail's outbox folder is queued when it's not able to be sent immediately. This can happen for a number of reasons, including storage space, network issues, internet connection, and file size. So you have to make sure all of this is not the case. Make sure that you go ahead and check whether your internet connection is working fine. Make sure that you try to update the Gmail app to the latest version. But again, most of the times it is nothing to worry about, because in my case also I had this issue, but after a couple of minutes of trying, it got sent automatically. So I tried 3 to 4 times, it didn't get sent, it got saved in the outbox folder, but afterwards all those 3 to 4 emails got sent to that particular recipient. So you don't want to try over and over again and spam it. Just wait maybe 5 to 10 minutes. That email will automatically get sent to the other person. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.